Shalom and welcome to Biblical Hebrew Lesson 20. Today we are looking at reduced vowels. In Biblical Hebrew, reduced vowels, also called kataf vowels or katafim, are a special category of short brief vowels. These reduced vowels are very short versions of the regular vowels and occur primarily in unstressed, weak syllables. Often in syllables that are immediately adjacent to stronger syllables. They are indicated by a special combination of shua, a short vowel indicator, and a vowel. Types of reduced vowels. There are three main reduced vowels in Biblical Hebrew, each corresponding to a specific vowel. Kataf patak, a reduced form of pata vowel. Kataf segol, a reduced form of sigol. Kataf kwamats, a reduced form of kwamats. These vowels are very short and are typically pronounced more briefly than their full counterparts. They often occur in rapid, unstressed syllables and can sound like a quick half vowel. Reduced vowels occur primarily in weak syllables, especially at the beginning of words, under guttural consonants, which are aleph, ayin, hey, and ket, or in other phonological environments where a full vowel would be too heavy for the syllable structure. Reduced vowels tend to follow one guttural consonant. Since these consonants resist silent shua, they prefer a vocalized, albeit weak, vowel sound. Shua and reduced vowels. Reduced vowels are related to vocal shua, which represents a very short neutral vowel sound. However, the reduced vowels are more specific because they maintain a clear connection to their respective full vowels, pata, sigol, and kwamats. Silent shua represents the absence of a vowel and should not be confused with vocal shua or reduced vowels. Function of reduced vowels. Reduced vowels arise due to syllable structure and phonological rules in Hebrew. When a syllable needs a vowel but cannot sustain a full vowel due to the weak position or phonetic context, for example, near a guttural consonant, a reduced vowel is then used. This allows the syllable to have a vowel sound while keeping it light and brief. For example, Chachamim, which means wise ones. The ket has a reduced pata, kafa pata, because gutturals like ket typically require a reduced vowel rather than a silent shua. Emet, which means truth and firmness. The aleph takes a kafa sigol to provide a minimal vowel sound. Onia, which means ship, the aleph carries a kafa kwamats, indicating a very short O vowel. So in summary, kafa pata is a reduced A sound, kafa sigol, reduced E sound, kafa kwamats, reduced O sound. They occur mostly in weak vowels, especially under guttural letters, and help smooth out the pronunciation of words without adding the full weight of a regular vowel. Understanding these vowels is important for accurate reading and pronunciation of Biblical Hebrew. So reduced vowels have the same value as moving shua. That is, they do not constitute a complete vowel, but only half a vowel. Remember to study, go over the flashcards, go over the previous lessons, and if you have any questions, please put it in the comments and I will respond as soon as possible. Shalom, have a great day.